traditional, but your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back.
And welcome back to the channel. Now this video is sponsored by Luvme Hair, and they sent me this beautiful highlighted bob wig. I think it is probably 12 inches, don't quote me on that, but the links to the wig will be in the description box, so if you guys want to know the specific length, then definitely check down below. But before we jump into the installation of this wig and how I got this wig to look exactly like this without using any glue or any hairspray, let me just show you guys what they sent to me inside the package. They sent me the bag to put the wig in when I'm done wearing it, clips to help with the installation of the wig, their membership guide, wig labelers, wig gripper, which this pretty much helps your wig from sliding back when you're not using like glue or I could have probably used this, but I didn't need to because this wig is secure enough, okay, without any hairspray and without any glue. Remember that. Some stocking cap and some baby hair comb. Now if you guys love to see how I end up getting this look, then definitely keep on watching.
What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Decide for what I want.
need some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Decide for what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
Just not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
Just not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit. You weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. 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 But Everybody's like, he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it.
focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you.
So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Once again, I would love to thank Luvme Hair for sponsoring this video. The link to the wig will be down in the description box, so if you guys would love to purchase it, definitely check down below. But for now, this is the end, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Yeah, a lot of red rubies on my neck.